Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Sweet as a Peach card. So here is the Sweet as a Peach bundle. The stamp set has these lovely distinctive images that have these nice textured look on them, and then the dies to cut them out, and some really cute sayings, have a peachy day and sweet as a peach, and there are little extra dies for branch and leaves and flowers, and then this label that works well with these small sentiments here. And the Your Peach Suite includes the bundle and this fun designer series paper with the watercolor look. And so I love the watercolored look. So these are all really fun papers here. And then it also includes these little mini jam jars. You get 6 in a pack and you can decorate them, and you can put all kinds of fun things in them like candies, treats, jams. They are plastic, so you cannot put anything hot in them, but you can wait until it cools and then you can put it in there and give them away to family and friends. So these are super, super cute. They come in a box like this, like I said, a box of 6. And so these are part of the suite as well. So for the card, I started off with a piece of 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then I trimmed off a half piece to make it 8 by 5.5. But I did it afterwards because I wanted to get a good score line here. And then I just have a half piece, and this is, I think, an 1/8 piece of the designer series paper that I'm just going to put over here and have a little kind of peekaboo over there for fun. So I'm just going to use some adhesive to put this one on. That one's easy, but the next one I'm going to use some liquid glue because it's so skinny. And this one might be a little bit taller, so I might need to trim it, which is fine. And just turn it upside down and just trim the top off. And then let's put some liquid glue on this one. Sometimes I have to peel the dried glue on top. Let's see if I can get this one going. Yep. Just put a little bead on there of glue. Don't need a whole lot. And then we're going to just place this right on the edge of the other piece right here. And then we've got our fun little Peekaboo Designer Series paper on in the middle. And then we're gonna do a fun little mask. So we're going to use a mask from the let's see, Plenty of Patterns decorative masks, and it has several patterns. It has these 4 patterns right here, super cute, and then it has like these repeating flowers, and then it has these scallops, and then it has this geometric design. So we're going to use this geometric design. I think it looks really cool. And I'm going to use a blending brush and Pool Party ink. And I'm going to use a scratch paper. So let me grab a scratch paper. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to just lay it down however you want it to be. It could be like this, it could be like this, just whatever way you want it to be. And just grab some ink. And I'm just gonna kind of start off the paper a little bit. And then I'm just gonna kind of do the middle area. I'm not gonna do it all the way to the edge. So I'm just gonna start really lightly and just kind of start in the middle, and maybe go out a little bit over here, go out a little bit over here, come out a little bit over here, and just kind of go out as far as you want to. And this will add a really fun background to your card. All right, I think that's good. So let's lift it up and see. Ta-da! So cute. Look at that. Love it. So it's just this fun little background. Subtle, but it's really nice. Okay, so now let's stamp some peaches. So I have a little piece of cardstock here, and I'm going to use Calypso Coral and Pale Papaya. And I'm going to also use a sponge dauber for my Calypso Coral. And I'm going to start with the Pale Papaya. So just going to ink this whole thing up in Pale Papaya. And then I'm going to just get a little bit of the Calypso Coral. And then I'm going to just dab a little bit of the Calypso Coral on my peach. And then just stamp it. And then you have this fun multicolored peaches, because when you stamp it with just the Pale Papaya, the peaches look really flat. And they don't really look like peaches. Peaches kind of have that multi-toned color to them. So you're gonna cut these out using the dies. So here's the little peach die. You're gonna figure out how that lines up like that. And you're gonna cut those peaches out and do an extra one, because you've got 4 peaches to do. So I've cut those out, and I've also stamped and cut out that piece right there. And then I cut out an extra one so I could just attach it to my peach right there for the bottom. And so I'm just going to put some mini dimensionals on this. One right there. One right there. Right there. I can put some mini dimensionals on these peaches too. Wonder if one will fit on the leaf. Might be too big. It fits. All right, and then we'll do regular dimensional right here because it's just big. Okay, so now we can place this, and this is so cute because not only do the peaches fit with these leaves, but there's also a set of 3 flowers that fit with the leaves too. So you can use both. So here's the dies for the 3 flowers, and then here are the 3 flowers that fit with the leaf as well. So the peaches or the flowers work with this set of leaves. So I think that's really fun too. And then I wonder if they cut out the paper. I haven't tried that yet. So if we have the dies and we have the paper, there might be spots of paper or flowers on here where you can cut out the flowers. I haven't tried it yet, so I need to get out like a full sheet and see, maybe here on this sheet of paper. So I need to check it out, maybe even on here. So there's 3 sheets of paper that maybe cut out, you can cut out the flowers on, maybe even the peaches, like right here. So I'll have to check that out and see, because that would be kind of cool. All right, so we can put a peach right here and another one over here. And we can actually tuck this under. That might look better. So maybe I should tuck this under. So let me pull this out and over, I guess. Oh, that's already pulled. So tuck this under. So it kind of has a little place for the stem there. I didn't do it under there, but oh well. And then I've already stamped. This is a little 1/2 inch by 3 inch. So 3 by 1/2 inch piece. And I've stamped "Thanks so much" on there. Just do little mini dimensionals, and we can place that on here, down here, and then just add a little peach there for fun. So just kind of put a little peach down there, and then use some of the leaves from this piece right here. Cut some leaves, and just, you can do that, or you can stick it in a little bit right there. And there is our Sweet as a Peach card with making a fun background using a template. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase the bundle, and it consists of supplies for 6 cards, and you get this Basket of Peaches card and this Keyhole Easel card as well. So go check out my website and use the hostess code, the current hostess code for the month, and email me after you've purchased the bundle and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make this card in this video. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And check out my other videos on the Sweet as a Peach bundle. I hope you enjoyed them as well. And I will see you next time. Bye.